GSTR1 is a sales return that captures all your business's sales, be it taxable or non-taxable. This return has to be filed by the 10th of the following month. Here is a tidbit for you. The government mandates more than 10 sections of data in every GSTR1 that you file every month. Imagine filling up each of those 10 sections every month for each of your GSTINs and the amount of errors this could cause. Let's see how ClearTax GST auto-populates your GSTR1 and makes filing GSTR1 a breeze. Let's start with your ClearTax dashboard. Click on GST filing. This will take you to your GST dashboard. Here, you see the different businesses you own and the different entities that belong to each business. Remember, you can own different businesses and each business may have multiple entities with unique GSTINs associated. In this video, we'll try to understand how to file your GSTR1 return using pre-populated data, that is Business A. Once you understand this, you can follow the same procedure to try filing GSTR1 using your own data on Business B. To begin with, click on Work on This on Entity A from your GST dashboard. It will take you to the GSTIN dashboard of this entity. On the top left of your screen, you will see the name of this entity along with its GSTIN. On the top right of the screen, you see the month of return. This will be by default your last calendar month. That is, if today is June 8, 2017, the default month selected will be May 2017. This is because you need to work with invoices from your last completed calendar month to file your returns for this current calendar month. Therefore, you see the default month selected as the last completed calendar month. Let's give you a quick process overview of filing GSTR1. First, you need to make sure all your sales invoices are in the ClearTax system. Then, you need to validate that data and upload to the government portal, that is GSTR. After successful upload of all data, you can file your GSTR1, which is your provisional sales return. After you have filed your GSTR1 and the buyers have filed GSTR2, you will be able to reconcile your GSTR1 and your buyer's GSTR2 and file your GSTR1A, that is, your final sales return. Based on this data, your ultimate tax liability on sales will be determined. ClearTax GST makes doing all of this very simple and easy. First, we need your sales invoices in the ClearTax software. If you are using our invoicing solution, these sales invoices will automatically be populated in your GSTR1 section. If you are importing your sales invoices from other software, please watch our video on importing data into the ClearTax software. For now, let's assume that your sales data is already in the ClearTax system. Click on Take Action and you will be taken to GSTR1 Summary. Here, you'll get a summarized view of all invoices, CDNs, and other documents that you have imported. To get a detailed view, you can click on View My Invoices. Under this section, you will be able to see different types of invoices such as credit or debit note, advance receipt, aggregate, unregistered nil, and GST exempt, and also finally a summary of all types of transactions. You can toggle between these categories with just a click. Now here is a quick tip. You can use the All Type Summary as your first check to ensure that all the data recorded by your accounting software has been correctly imported into the ClearTax system without any data loss due to manual errors. You can do this by checking the total here with your number. Now, let's look at the different filters that can simplify your life. For example, you can click on Invoice category and select invoice type such as B2B, B2C large, B2C small, and exports. You can also select the subtype to filter amended and non-amended transactions. Further, using the filing filter, you can also filter invoices which are not yet uploaded to the government, invoices which are already uploaded to the government, and invoices which have been uploaded and filed with the government. Lastly, you can add new invoices to the section by clicking on Add New Invoice at the top. Now, click on Upload GSTN tab. Here, you will see a summary of your invoices that are ready to be uploaded to the government portal. If you're happy with everything, let's go ahead and upload your invoices to the government portal. Once the documents have been uploaded, you will get a success message indicating the same. You can click on Sales Invoice List button and get a view of all documents uploaded along with upload status. You will now see the status has changed to Uploaded to Government. Now, click on File GSTR1 tab. Please note that under GST, the tax department requires each taxpayer to provide different summary reports at the time of filing the returns. Here, you will see those summary reports automatically generated, so you don't have to bother about doing them on your own. The first summary shows the data categorized on the basis of types of invoices. The second one highlights the transactions based on the nature of product or service, showing particulars like HS and SAC, quantity, etc. Have a look at the summary, and if you are satisfied with the particulars, click on File GSTR 1 and your return will be filed with the GSTR. Super simple, isn't it?